Yup, today we are playing with electricity. However, like all things in nature, the most beautiful things are also the most deadly ones. This project is no different. We are working with high power at an extremely high voltage, the kind that you touch and instantly die from. So I would highly discourage anyone from trying this at home. But if you decide to do it anyway, it is at your own responsibility, but I will give you some essential safety tips. First and foremost, as soon as the transformer is turned on, do not touch anything. This is the most important thing. Second of all, make sure you have a remote switch or an extension cord that has a switch built into it. After switching the transformer off, wait for a few moments so all the remaining energy can drain out. Also make sure you are wearing shoes with rubber soles. To be extra safe, stand on a rubber mat at all time. And make sure that everything is as dry as can be. Lastly, it is also recommended to wear insulating gloves, such as latex gloves. Since the wood on its own is not conductive, we will need to mix some baking soda in water. Then we will use a paintbrush to brush it onto the wood. I have found that it works best if you let the solution soak into the wood first for a few minutes. Then we wire up the mains lead to the transformer. After this is done, we plug it in and turn on the switch, and soon we can see the patterns being burned into the wood. While the patterns are forming on this first test piece, I will tell you a bit more about Lichtenberg figures, as this is what these patterns are called. They are named after the German scientist Georg Christoph Lichtenberg, who discovered them. Lichtenberg figures are electric discharge patterns that appear on the surface or the interior of insulating materials. Lichtenberg would make these patterns visible by sprinkling powdered materials on the surface of the insulator. Then he pressed paper onto the insulator and recorded these images, laying the foundation for modern xerography and modern laser printers. Lichtenberg figures are natural examples of fractals, and what we are doing here on the wood is exactly the same as what happens in the sky when the lightning strikes. However, lightning is a 3D Lichtenberg figure, while here we do mostly 2D Lichtenberg figures. And finally, I will just let you listen to the audio of the transformer burning these patterns into the wood. After seeing how well this worked, I decided to go for a bigger piece of wood. So I once again hammered in 2 nails, one into each end, connected the transformer and brushed on the solution. Then it was just a matter of turning on the transformer and watching how the patterns formed. Since this piece of wood was quite a bit bigger, the reaction was also quite a lot calmer. But in the end it gave nicer patterns with a lot more detail. Throughout the process I had to reapply the solution several times because the wood dried out. About halfway through I also added some kitchen salt to the solution. This seemed to make quite a big difference and make the patterns a lot bigger. Anyway, that's enough of me talking, just enjoy the mesmerizing visuals and sounds as the patterns are being formed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, because I sure did enjoy making this. And the final result turned out amazing. I will definitely hang this in my room. Once again, be responsible around electrical hazards. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Until next time.